Hello everyone, welcome to our new class. Today I am going to discuss with you a very important topic which is most asked question in nowadays. The question is how to introduce yourself. Okay, so now I am going to discuss with you this topic, how to introduce a person oneself. Okay, so I found out some topics, some points how to introduce a person himself. First of all, we have to use formal greetings. We can say it assalamu alaikum, namaskar, adab, and hello. And we also can say good afternoon, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, and etc. Many more. And then after that, we have to say our name. That we can say I am Habib. I am Habib Al Mahmoud. This is Habib Al Mahmoud. My name is etc etc. So after that we have to say our age. We can say I am 22 years old. My age is 22 years old. And after that we have to say our address and location where I belongs to. I can say I am from Bandarban, or we can say I was born and grew up in Bandarban, or we can say I am living in Bandarban. And after that we have to say our institutions where we read in. I can say I read in Bandarban Government College, or I read in class 7 at Bandarban Government High School, and etc. After that we can discuss about our family. That we can say I have two brother and one sisters, or we have a family of 4 members, or we can say we are 4 siblings, and many more. And after that, at last we can say we have to talk about our hobbies. Okay, so that I can say I really like playing cricket, or I really enjoying playing football, or I am a big fan of cricket, and etc. Many more. And after that we have to finish our greetings to say thank you so much. So thank you. That's all the procedure to introduce a person to himself.